To get started with AWS CLI, you need AWS access keys. Let me show you how to create access keys. First, click on your IAM user. At the top right, you'll notice I am logged in with my IAM user, not the root account. Always use an IAM user for creating security credentials. Select the drop-down menu and click on Security Credentials. These keys are essential if you are using the AWS CLI or an SDK to integrate AWS into a programming language. Remember, access keys are secret. You'll only see them once and can download them as a CSV file for safekeeping. If you lose them, you'll need to create new ones. Never share them with anyone. Click on Create Access Key. Select the first option, which is CLI. Select this option to confirm your choice and then click Next. Here we give our key a tag value. I will name my tag AWS CLI Access and then click on Create Key to finalize the process. Make sure you read and understand the best practices. Download the key in CSV file and save it in a very secure place. You will only get this key once, so don't close this window yet because we need it in the next step. Open a search engine of your choice. Search for AWS CLI download and press Enter. Click on the first search result. On the AWS CLI download page, scroll down and choose an installation option based on your operating system. Since I'm using Windows, I will select the Windows installation option. To simplify the process, I will click on the MSI installer to download it. Once the download is complete, run the file to start the installation process. If you encounter a Windows prompt, click Install Anyway to proceed. Continue with the installation process, keeping the default options unchanged. After the installation, open a command line interface of your choice. In my case, I am using Bash. In the CLI, type the command AWS --version command and press Enter. You should see the version of the installed AWS CLI. If the installation fails, ensure Python is installed first, then repeat the process. Let's configure the AWS CLI. Type AWS configure and enter your access key ID. Followed by the secret access key. For the default region, select one close to you. For example, I am using AP Southeast 2 because I'll be doing all my tutorials there. You can find region codes in the drop-down menu in the AWS Management Console. For the default output format, just press Enter. Now the CLI is configured. Let's test it by typing AWS IAM list users to list all users in the account. You'll see details like the username, ARN, and creation date, similar to what you'd find in the Management Console. In the next section, I will explain how you can deploy infrastructure in AWS using Python.